because he talks about these and stuff, but these high shoes right here, I was like wanting to try them, because he kept talking about how good they were and everything, and so I finally got them. Good morning, guys. So it's cleaning day, which means I'll probably do some cleaning on camera. I just fast forward like I did last time. I think that some of y'all enjoyed that, and I mean it gives me footage because I'm cleaning all day. But for breakfast, I just wanted to show y'all. Kendrick is having a little cutie, like the little oranges, some grapes, red grapes halved, and half a banana. So that's what his breakfast is. No. So the camera just cut off. I didn't even realize it because it's just sitting there. I'm not even paying attention to it. And I didn't realize, so basically whatever footage you got, that's what you get. I finished cleaning and that's when I noticed the camera was off. We're about to go clean the kitchen, but first I wanted to talk about something. If you watch Colin and Katie, you know about these on Bama Chick 101 or 1101. Because he talks about these and stuff, but these high shoes right here, I was like wanting to try them, because he kept talking about how good they were and everything, and so I finally got them. I got them once before, and basically they let me just show you. So they come individually wrapped, but I did not like them the first time I got them, and then after I ate them all, they're weird. Okay, after I ate them all, I wanted some more, and so finally I got some more last night. So they come like this, white, the purple one, this is a grape, so I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a little bit of purple in there. The green is pretty clear, and the pink comes, or the strawberry comes with a little bit of pink in it. This is the regular mix, so green apple, strawberry, and grape, and they have a tropical one, which I do want to try. They come like this, but they, like, when I put it in my mouth, sometimes some of them are kind of chewy, but usually it makes me think of, like, wax. But with a grape taste to it, like a hint. It's good. I love them, but they're harder than like a Starburst. Like, they don't really feel sticky when you chew in them. They don't really stick to your teeth like that. You know, they never get stringy like bubblegum either. They're just weird, but we have them in our local Walmart, so if we have them in Tennessee, you have them wherever you live, most likely. Let's see. It says, where does it say that? These are made in China. It says, stay active, eat Hi-Chew. And basically what I think they are, they're fruit, well, it says fruit chews on here, but basically, I think these are like a healthier candy than, you know, like say a Starburst or something. And like I said, well, I don't have that many left, but, you know, there's green apple, which is really good. It's Hi-Chew. And, This is not an American candy. But anyways, so really different. We have them in, like, I don't know what it is. Not the Hispanic, you know, it's not the Hispanic style, but it has like, you know, like Chinese and Japanese and Mexican and stuff like that in that aisle. That's where you'll find these. It's kind of Pocky. I don't know if you know what that is. Well, it's next to Pocky. So if you like them, let me know. If you try these, let me know what you think. But I love them. So they are weird though, so you might not like them. guys, so we're just having dinner. We're just having some hamburger helper and fries. And basically, our new thing is going to be, instead of ending the vlog when Kinder goes to bed, because he goes to bed around 8 or 9, I'm going to go ahead and start ending it with dinner so that I have more time to edit, more time to get to bed, because last night it was nice going to sleep on time. So, anything you want to say? And plus, she misses me going to bed with him. He's not used to sleeping alone, so.
No. I haven't been vlogging, but I've been so tired, and so yeah, I've been really tired because of work, and it's just like but I promise I'll try to keep up and
Vlog tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright, well, if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow. FYI, yes, he did get a haircut. It's not styled right now. He spikes it up in the front, but turn your head. He got it all short and everything in the back. And mine's getting done tomorrow, so we'll see.